Welcome to modelpapers.com. This problem was asked in GATE 2003 in mechanical engineering paper. This problem is from bending of beams. Let us have a look on the problem statement. A simply supported laterally loaded beam was found to deflect more than a specified value. Which of the following measures will reduce the deflection? There are four choices given here. The option A is increase the area moment of inertia. Option B, increase the span of the beam. Option C, select a different material having lesser modulus of elasticity. Option D, magnitude of the load to be increased. In this problem, which measure we have to take to reduce the deflection of the beam? Let us solve this problem. Here in this problem, this beam is given, simply supported beam, and it is loaded laterally. We don't know where it is loaded. Let's say assume that some force is P acting here. This is the lateral load. Okay, so we have to reduce the deflection of this beam. Let us assume in this problem, for simplicity, this load P is acting at the middle of the simply supported beam. We know that the maximum deflection or deflection at the middle point for this simply supported beam is nothing but this P L cube by 48 EI. Okay, so let us reduce this deflection. How this deflection is minimum or less? We can reduce this deflection if we increase the modulus of elasticity, increase E, increase moment of inertia of the beam I, or reduce load on the beam, or reduce the span of the beam. So we can reduce this delta. So in this problem there are four choices. The first choice is the increase the area moment of inertia, which is true. If we increase the area moment of inertia, we can reduce the deflection. Option B, increase the span of the beam. This is not true. Why? We have to reduce the span of the beam. In that case, we can achieve the less deflection. Option C, select a different material having lesser modulus of elasticity. No, we have to increase the modulus of elasticity if we want to reduce the deflection. Option D, magnitude of the load to be increased. No, this is also not correct. We have to reduce the load to reduce the deflection, and hence out of these four choices, this one is correct. Increase the moment of inertia to reduce the deflection, and hence option A is correct. So you can solve this type of problem. Okay, thank you.